yes, it probably does have an effect, but not in the way that you are possibly thinking about it. So let's do a simple search. Somebody give me a product idea in the questions. Somebody type in a product idea for me. That'll do. Thank you very much, Anthony. Shampoo for dogs. All right, let's go search for that. Shampoo for dogs. I'm on Amazon in Australia. Shampoo for dogs. All right, so as you can see, you have now got a search being done on Amazon. So let's all pretend that we are searchers and we have a dog and we're looking, because our dog is very stinky, to clean said dog. So we come to Amazon, we do a search for shampoo for dogs. That's our search term. And now we are given loads and loads, well not loads, but some results, okay? So now that's our searcher chain of events. Now let's put our seller hat back on. So now, looking at these listings, we've got a few things that we can optimize to get somebody to click on our product. Because if you get them to click on your product, like this one right here at the top, if you get them to click on the product, you are much more likely, of course, to get the sale. And that's obvious to say, but typically on Amazon, people who click through, depending on the category, 15% of them on average will actually purchase your product. So if they click through, 15% of them actually buy, and the rest go and do something else. But that's a different discussion. All right, so how the hell do you optimize? And Malcolm, I'm going to answer your question in a kind of roundabout way. So you've got a few things you can optimize. You've got your image, your hero image, so you can optimize that. You've got your title. That's valuable real estate space on the Amazon search engine's results page. You've got your business name, also valuable real estate on the search page. You've got your price, which brings us very neatly to Malcolm's question. And then ordinarily, you'd also have things like, which we don't have any on here, which is opportunity in my books. You'd also have reviews. That would be a big thing, and people clearly look at the reviews before they decide what to click on. And then you've got other things which aren't available yet in the Amazon marketplace, like coupons and loads of other sexy stuff like that. So for us though, we've got four main things we can optimize. We've got the image listing, we've got the image title, we've got the price, Malcolm, we'll get to that in just a second, and we've got reviews. So Malcolm's question was, does the price affect the algorithm on Amazon? And the answer is no, not in and of itself, but the price here, $15.80, versus the price here, $13.40, well, if that means that I am more likely to click on this listing, then that will have an effect on the Amazon algorithm for search engine optimization. That will have an effect, because what Amazon is always doing, it's a business and it's looking to maximize its ROI, its return on investment. So if I am a searcher and I've searched for shampoo for dogs, the product that will get the most love, search engine optimization love on Amazon, is the product that ultimately makes the most money for Amazon. And that's exactly as it should be. So it is best to try everything possible to get people to click through onto your product page. Look at those images, all exactly the same. No images of dogs being shampooed at all. Just absolutely crazy. Anyway, that's a whole different conversation. So the one that wins the game on Amazon as far as SEO goes is the one that ultimately makes the most money for Amazon. And that can be a function of price, in as much as if a product is priced way out of perspective, like this one right here, even though it's got free delivery, way out here, like $36, well, if you're looking at comparing apples with apples, what's the deal? Where's the value for you in having that one over that one? And so I would imagine that in that context, within that context, because there's nothing to say it's any better, they haven't got reviews, for instance, to make it say it's even better. I would imagine in those circumstances, price would play a big role in whether somebody clicks on the product and also ultimately buys it. And as a result of that, and only that, price then has an effect on the search engine algorithm. Hope that makes sense, Malcolm. It's a pretty roundabout way to explain it, but it's extremely important. And with all these things, the number one thing to think about is what makes Amazon the most money. If you always have that at the forefront of your mind, you will do much, much better on Amazon. Not what makes me the most money, what makes Amazon the most money. If you keep that in your mind, then you'll do much, much better. And typically speaking, the things that makes Amazon the most money are also the things that make the customers happiest too. So those two are intrinsically linked together. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.